Good day. Please introduce yourself.
Hi, sir, ma'am. I'm Ana Marie Gutierrez, 27 years old, a single mom for one little boy, 3 years old.
Okay. What is your educational attainment?
Yes, ma'am, I graduated a Bachelor of Science in Nursing.
Okay. You are a registered nurse?
No, ma'am.
Okay.
Yes, I graduated.
Okay. And what is your height and your weight?
My height is 5'4" and my weight is 70 kilograms.
70 kilogram. Okay. And how many brothers and sisters do you have?
Yes, ma'am, I have 3 brothers and 1 sister.
Okay. Are you the eldest in your family?
I'm the 4th.
Fourth. Okay. And can you tell us about your work experience?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir, ma'am. I work in United Arab Emirates for almost 4 years.
Okay. So is it one employer only?
No, ma'am. 2 employers.
Okay, what is your job in your first
On my
employer?
first employer, I work as a caregiver slash DH also.
Okay, so you are a caregiver and you are taking care of how old woman or a man?
I took care for a 97-year-old man.
Man, okay. Is it a bedridden person?
No, ma'am. He can walk.
He can walk. So you just assist on
Yeah. I assist with
medicine?
medicines, taking care for shower.
Okay. And at the same time, you do all around household chores.
Yes, ma'am.
So, how many members in their family in total during you worked there for 2 years? For 2 years.
Yeah. I
How many people inside the house?
5.
Five.
Yes.
Are you the only one helper?
Yes, ma'am.
So you're helping all the chores
Yes.
inside the house. How about on your second employer?
My second employer, I work as a sales lady in one mall.
In a mall.
Yes, ma'am.
So you're selling
I'm selling chocolates.
chocolates.
Yes.
Okay. And no more working experiences abroad? Okay. And do you know how to take care 1-year-old above ages of children?
Yes, ma'am. I know. Honestly, I got that experience for my son.
Okay. And how about taking care of a newly born baby?
Yes, ma'am. Because
Okay.
I took care for my son alone.
Okay, can you give us a little details on preparing milk as well as preparing their bathing procedures?
Yes, ma'am. Of course, when preparing a milk, we need to make sure that the bottle is already
Sterilized.
Yeah, and then we put water, and then we put milk, and then of course before we give the milk for the baby, we need to make sure that the temperature is not cold and
yeah.
not hot.
Hot.
By putting it on the skin like this, and then if we sure that the temperature is good enough for the baby, we will carry the baby like this, and then we can give the milk already like this.
And then after finish feeding,
And then,
so
after giving milk for the baby, we need to make sure that the baby
you have birth.
give birth
Yeah.
like this.
Okay.
And then after the baby give birth, we can put it back.
Okay, and then what are the things that you need to prepare for bathing?
Yeah, for bathing, we need to take all. We need to make sure that the things is
Water.
also
Clean.
Clean, yes, ma'am. And then of course we need to test the water if the water temperature is good also by soaking our elbow in the water to check the temperature like this.
Okay.
And then if we make sure, then we can give the baby back.
Okay. And do you know some children's songs?
Of course, ma'am, I know.
Okay, can you sing a simple English song for our little children?
Oh. Itsy bitsy spider went up the water spout. Down came the rain and washed the spider out. Out came the sunshine and dried up all the rain. So itsy bitsy spider went up the spout again.
Okay. Do you know how to cook?
For now, ma'am, sir, I know only Filipino food, but I am very willing to learn a Chinese food.
Okay. In Hong Kong, most people there are speaking Cantonese. Are you willing to learn their language?
Yes, ma'am. I am very much willing
Okay. And why do you want to work in Hong Kong?
to save a better future for my son.
Okay. Would you like to say anything else to your future employer?
Yes, ma'am, sir. If you choose me, I can assure you that your children, I will treat them as my own, and I promise that I will finish my contract with you, sir.
Okay. Thank you.
Thank you.